I plan on switching this out today with this. This matches the cabinet handles in my, or pulls that's in my kitchen. So therefore I want the barn door to match. The cabinet pulls used to look like this one, round. It comes with, I got it from Amazon. It comes with this back plate that goes on the other side of the door. They're the same, so I might not have to bother with changing it out. But this part I have to take off. And this one is square, which goes underneath here, where this one is round. So let me see. Try to take this off. Uh-oh. It's not that easy as I think. Let's see, turn it right. You know, I actually have on my drill bit to do this. Let's see. Oh no, I got it. It's the same screws. Shit. There. It's trying to come off. See these places stuck there? Really? I think I'm gonna leave that plate on. See, this is what it looked like. The cabinet pulls was just like this. Let's say if I pop these off, they're stuck. I'm gonna have to get something to take it off. Pop these off. It's glued on here. The paint is on here. What was that? Alright. Let's see. Pop them out. This one. Okay. Bam. Okay. Those are off. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Now, just gonna put the screw back in here. Put this plate on. Stay put. I don't know, maybe I should use the screws that come in. I think they're longer. Oops. Let's see if they're longer. Oh, they're the same size. Interesting. Same size screws. And then that. And then this. Okay. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna set that to the side for right now. Let me get the other plate, which is, I'm gonna pop it. Get it in there. Oh, shit. Let me just say, they're the same exact length screws, but for some reason I have the hardest time trying to screw that bottom one in. Finally I gave up. I went to Home Depot because I was going out anyway, and I got a longer screw. I don't understand what was the difference. The plates are the same size, the screws are the same size. The thickness of those little square plates versus the round ones, I don't think they were any different, but for some reason I couldn't get it. So I just, like I said, I had to go get a longer screw and put it in. Look at Roy Jr., my poor fiddly fig, what's left of him. Finally, as I said, it was a struggle. I went to Home Depot, like I said, and I got longer screws. I only need to use one. The top one went in fine, but the bottom one was giving me a hard time. Anyhow, now I've changed the handle to match my cabinets. Hope you enjoyed this little brief DIY. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I'm trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers. You can help me. Take care. God bless. Bye.